To make craft stick popsicle stick bracelets, you are going to need some craft sticks. You're going to boil the craft sticks for 15 minutes. And children, make sure you have adult supervision. You're also going to need a glass jar or a glass or a lid. You are also going to need some acrylic paints, some paint brushes. The next step, after you're done boiling, you will bend the popsicle stick and put it into the jar. And this is going to shape it. It should look like this. And you're going to leave this in the jar or the lid overnight. This is how the one in the lid looks like. Some may break while you're bending them, so make sure you boil more than what you think you're going to need. Remove from the jar when they are all dry, and you're ready to paint. Paint the inside and the outside of the craft stick. When you're finished painting, dangle over the side of a jar and let it dry. Paint the inside and outside of the craft stick, just like the other one. And you can use any color paint that you like. I'm using Crayola acrylic. Painting this one white. Now we're going to let these dry, and then we can paint our second coat or a design when it's dry. Here are my finished designs. I did a winter, a snowflake, let it snow, a Christmas theme, candy cane, another Christmas, ho ho ho, and I did some Valentine Day themes, XoXo and hearts, multicolors on this with hearts, and another heart, XoXo. And one that could be anything, purple and white. Comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. To make craft stick puzzles, I'm using 8 jumbo craft sticks, which I'm going to paint with acrylic paint. I'm using Crayola acrylic pink and purple paint. Next, I'm going to paint each of the craft sticks. You can use whatever paint colors you like. You can apply 2 coats. And if you would like it to hold a little better, you can let the paint dry and then put a second coat on. Now we're going to let these dry. And then we can touch up a little bit if the paint is a little too light in some areas. When you're ready to paint the puzzle design, make sure the craft sticks are close to each other and you have them in the order that you want them to be. I'm going to use white Crayola acrylic paint for the design. I made an XoXo XoXo for Valentine's Day. I decided to fill one of these in to make it a little bit easier to see when you're doing the puzzle. And we can make a little heart in the corner here. And maybe at the lower corner here. XO there. And maybe another little XO up here. This is going to be a hard puzzle to put together. If you want a simple one, you don't have to put as much detail onto it. Leave it more plain. And now it's time to put it together. Mix the pieces all up and try to put it back together again. one. Helps if you remember the order that the colors were in. So it's pink, purple, pink, purple, pink, purple, pink, and purple. That wasn't too bad to put together. And now you have your puzzle. You can make it easier for the littler ones or more advanced for adults and the older kids. And any design, any pattern you wish. Have fun putting all your puzzle pieces together. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. That way you don't miss another video. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time.